Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add text in Weebly onto your site. So let's get right into it. Now, it's very easy to do this. It's very freely available in the build section of Weebly. You just need to create your own site, and once you're there, once you're in the editor, you can freely add text. So let me just clear this page up a bit when it comes to the elements, just so that I have space where I'm going to add that text. So let me just do this really quickly, and you can add a couple of different styles of text. Of course, you can add titles, you can add simple text paragraphs, you can also add images or anything else that you might wish for. However, yeah, that's pretty much all you can do. It's a relatively simple editor. You can also embed things if you want and add buttons. So if you embed something, you can add different styles of text through embedding. But if you want to add a title, just click on title, drag it over here, and it'll give you the title over here. Just enter whatever you want. I'll write test, click on it if you want to format it, and that's pretty much it. Then if you want just plain text, add text right below the title, and then you can write whatever you want here. And once you're done adding your text, you can just click publish, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.